Okay, so we've cleaned the filter, we've put it back in, it's ready to go. We've still got the ISO recirc line in our waste bucket. So in this container I've got some clean PolyLube. You want to put in about 2.5 litres. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, and now we had an airlock and we drained the filter anyway, so we'll roughly know, when the clean PolyLube is starting to come out. So this is the final flush. So if we run through this PolyLube and it's not clear yet, you may need to run some more PolyLube through, but okay, so that's our airlock coming through. So that's still a bit murky, so I might just put a little bit more PolyLube in that. We'll just run a bit more lube through. Oh, just to drum two things at once. Okay, so that's coming out a lot cleaner now. A lot happier with that. So if there's any ISO left in the system, the PolyLube will go murky after time because it'll absorb the moisture. So if the machine is sitting for a long period of time, you want to be turning it over once a week. If you find after a couple of weeks it's the ISO PolyLube is going cloudy, you need to change it. So that's much clearer now, nice and clear. Just give it a little bit more. So basically that's the flush done on the ISO side. So what you need to do now is just repeat what I've done on the ISO side on the resin side, drain the hose flush, clean the filter out, put it all back together, put the PolyLube in, flush it out. But just remember, if you're changing colour, you may need to do that resin 2 times, even 3 times with the hose flush. You just want to try and get as clean as possible. So that's about it. I hope this series of videos help. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to call Rhino Line in Tech Department. You'll be talking to me, or you'll be talking to Rob, our Tech Manager, and don't forget you've got the sales guys as well that can help you with any information you need on products. So don't hesitate to call and enjoy using your E10.